Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to separate your streaming audio from your VOD audio, and this is to help against DMCAs as well as other different copyright strikes that you may get while streaming on either Twitch or soon I think Kick's going to have the separation of audio. But for the time being, Twitch is the only one to have the separation of VOD audio from the rest of your audio tracks. So what you want to do, I have Spotify open on my other tab, and what this will do is you will have all of your audio going through one separate track. So I have my main mixer, which I use a Wavelink program with my Wave 3 microphone, and this has everything that I have running through it, such as my games, my browser, as well as Discord. Now, what I do is I take a separate entity and I mute the stream end of the Spotify playlist because I have it running through the Wavelink. However, I don't have it running through the actual mixer itself. What I do is I have it sent through a desktop audio, or if you guys want, OBS has a new thing called application audio capture. And from here, you can actually add in things like Spotify Premium. So with that, you can actually do different things with it. So let's start with the basics. What you're going to want to do is before you start streaming, before you start doing anything of that sort, you want to go to your settings over here, and that will open up the settings tab. From here, you're going to want to go to output and to your streaming tab. What this will do is this will open up the streaming settings and encoder settings. What we want to do is focus on this section here. So you see how I have my audio track and my VOD track. With the audio track, you want to keep it on 1 at all times. For the Twitch VOD track, this is strictly for Twitch. Turn this on if it's not already on. This is going to save you in the long run. So what you're wanting to do is you want to have this on a completely separate channel. So you're going to want to pick channel 2. From here, this is all you need to do with the settings. Quick and easy, and we can close out of the settings tab. Now, what you're going to want to do is go into your mixer audio, and you're going to want to go into advanced audio properties. This will open up all of your sources that are currently listed in the current scene. So, as you see here, desktop audio, which is the primary source for my music, has tracks 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all checked off. Now, if you notice, track 2 is currently unchecked. Track 2 is what is currently running on the Twitch VOD section. So any audio that is running through on track 2, such as the media source and the monitor, or the mixer for this case, will be running on the Twitch VOD track. The desktop audio, or the Spotify audio, will not be on the VOD track. So when you have the track for the VOD set on track 2, this will allow for any audio running through that to come to a halt when unchecked. This will be easier for you to separate your Spotify audio from your stream so that when Twitch goes in and does their scrubbing, you won't get copyright striked and you won't catch a DMCA. So let's recap. What you want to do is you want to separate your Spotify from your game. And as we stated before, you have 2 different ways of doing this, either using a mixer, but if you do not have a mixer, you can use the application audio capture. And then from here, you want to add in your Spotify Premium, and that is added there. And again, go into your settings, output, and change your audio track to 1 and Twitch VOD track to 2. Go to your audio mixer, advanced audio properties, and check off track 2. It's quick and easy, quick and simple, and it should be able to help you in the long run when you're trying to separate your audio from the final product. Again, guys, this is just quick and easy. Hope this helped. Happy streaming.